People who are particular about their home looking clean will love today's tip. Power washing your home is the best way to get rid of mold, mildew, and stains on your home's siding, driveway, deck, and even fencing. A fresh look is a great way to feel pride in your home, and it also contributes to your neighborhood's community. Wow, just look at how it brightens up this sidewalk. Or look at the difference it makes in this beautiful red brick. Okay, so at this point, I think you can see how big of an impact this maintenance can have, and it sure can be fun. But there's one thing that makes me cringe so hard every time that I hear it. And that's when a homeowner proudly says that they power washed their roof. Congratulations, homeowner. You just shaved 10 years off the life of your roof. The only time that you should power wash your roof is if you have a metal roof. Otherwise, all you're doing is ripping those shingle granulars right off the shingles and sending them down to collect in the gutter. Please, please, please do not power wash your roof. Now, there is something called a soft wash for roofs, and that is just fine. But please do not use a regular high pressure washer on your roof. Check in for the next video where we dive deeper into good roof maintenance that either you or a professional can do to keep your roof healthy and functional. See you then.